So I'm really thinking about grabbing this couch. It's 60. It's like green leather. And then it's got the full base green. It's not in like perfect condition, but I think with some furniture salve, it could be cleaned up. Give it a drink. So I think might as well risk it. It's only 60, so. All right, guys, I brought in Neiman to see if he likes the couch. What do you think? $60, green couch. Revive it with leather revival salve.
Is it comfy? Have you sat in it?
Yeah, it's comfy.
I think it would work because it's like an emerald green.
Yeah.
And even if you weren't able to fully get the salve out of it, or like it refreshed fully, I feel like it just adds to the character.
Yeah, and it's vintage, so.
Send it.
Send it. Good, because I already got the thingy.
Oh, perfect.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. I'm Lauren, and in this video, I am gonna show you how to revive a leather couch that has seen better days and how you can flip that for a profit online. So let's get to it. This couch was purchased at Goodwill for just $60. So we're gonna see how much money we can get once we clean it up and place it on Facebook Marketplace. So like I said, I got this for $60 at Goodwill, and I put up a poll on Instagram. We were out thrifting that day, and I was like, do I thrift this or do I pass? And you guys overwhelmingly chose that I should pass on this piece, on this couch, and I was just stunned. I was like, you guys, come on, it has so much potential. I know a lot of people might not want a green sofa in their home, and again, it's seen better days, but I have confidence that I can actually revive this leather and bring it back to its former glory, and I think that the green will sell. Green is so in right now, and this dark deep green is even better, and it's got that MCM look with the no base down below. So I'm really excited to get started on this flip. We need to start out by giving this thing a nice clean, because after all, we got it at a thrift store and we just want to start fresh with a cleaning. So I am going to go grab my cleaning supplies. So all I've got here is a damp cloth, and we don't want to do anything too crazy. Again, I'm just really trying to get some of that like thrift store grime off of it. So it's just a damp cloth, and we're gonna go ahead and rub down the entire couch. Okay, this might be gross. I don't know what's underneath. Oh, that's not too bad. Not too shabby under here. We'll still give it a good wipe down though. All right, so it looks like I found a brand under here, which I was hoping for. Okay, wait, maybe it's not a brand. Darn, it just says Premium Leather Care Program, and it's just a sticker. Darn, I don't know what that even means. This said it was made in Italy, but then the rest of the tag is torn off. So, yeah, there's no manufacturer name on this thing. Darn. I was kind of just hoping to find something like that. I don't think it's like a make or break. I think it would have helped in the selling part, but I might do like a Google Lens and see, you know, what I can find by just researching this couch, like a photo of this couch. Okay, next I need to get the vacuum out because I separated these cushions. And there is a whole bunch of who knows what in the cushions. So I need to go ahead and get that all out. Hopefully you guys can see in there. It's kind of gross. So these cushions don't come off of the couch at all. So I think, you know, there's probably some stuff everywhere in all of the crevices. So I'm just gonna grab out my vacuum and just clean it out, suck it out, and then we'll be ready to start reviving the leather. It's time to test out the theory that I think that this furniture salve by Up Paint, although there are tons of different brands, this is just something I had on hand, and it smells like leather, so why not try it? But it's a salve, and I believe that this will really help this leather come back to life. One of the purposes of it is to revive and protect leather. So we're gonna really put it to the test because, like I said, this leather has seen better days. It's all scratched up. So I'm just putting a little bit on this balm brush and gonna basically apply it in little circular motions and watch it come back to life. What it should do is like give a richer color to the leather as well. And I'm not only gonna do it where there's scratches, I'm gonna do it across the entire couch because it all needs a drink. Oh my gosh. That is so crazy. I'm like just mind blown. Like I knew it would work, but goodness. And of course, like if they were deeper scratches, then, you know, I can't fully get rid of that. But when I have it listed on Marketplace, I'll just disclose that there's some minimal wear, like a couple scratches, but like that doesn't affect the overall function and use of the couch itself. So as long as I'm disclosing that, you know, I'm not forcing anyone to buy anything. Night and day. Not perfection, but breathe new life. And it might need multiple coats. We'll kind of see, like, depends on how thirsty the couch is. It might soak all of this up and then we'll need to apply another round or two of it. We'll just have to wait and see once it starts drying up. All right, we're almost halfway done. Initial thoughts are that it's looking a lot better than it was, but we can still see some of the coloration difference, and it's not looking like the best 100%. I was hoping it would look a little bit better than it is, but still a work in progress. I'm gonna probably apply another coat, see what happens. I'm still confident that we can get more than we paid for out of it. It just might not be quite as much as I had originally anticipated. Time for the back. The back isn't too bad. There's just a few little blemishes. So we'll just get some salve on it. All right, first coat layer is on. And I will say it's like looking 10 times better. I still think that it can look better before we take photos of it. So I'm gonna let this just soak in. I started over here and it's really pretty much all soaked in, and I can definitely tell it could use more. So once everything is soaked in, I'll come back and do just a quick round 2 and see how everything is looking. So I ended up doing a second coat of the salve, and so now I'm just kind of buffing it out, making sure there's no buildup anywhere. I think overall it looks better. Is it perfect? No way. But again, I do think that we can get more than $60 out of it. It still has a lot of life left in it. So we're just gonna get some photos done and get it listed on Facebook Marketplace. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and furniture flippers. Are you ready for a thrilling twist on reality TV? Get ready for The Flip Off, our groundbreaking TV show that brings creativity to competition. In each thrilling episode of The Flip Off, we mix things up with a fresh set of contestants, unique pieces of furniture, and new challenges. Picture this: a ticking clock, a variety of furniture waiting for a new lease on life, and creativity unleashed like never before. Watch as our contestants, from savvy DIYers to professional designers, turn the ordinary into extraordinary. In our series, no item is too daunting, whether it's a retro coffee table or an antique bookshelf. And each episode, like the paint-off premiere or the decoupage duel, presents its own unique twist. Each flip is more than a makeover. It's a story of vision, skill, and passion. Our contestants aren't just competing for bragging rights, they're reimagining the life of every piece. And the best part, there's no script, no staged drama, just pure fun creativity. You'll laugh, you'll be inspired, and you might even pick up a few tricks for your next project. It's not just a show, it's a celebration of creativity and transformation. So don't miss out. Check out the description down below to see how you can be a part of and watch the flip off. Now back to the episode. All right, guys, this baby is sold. It's officially been 4 weeks since I picked it up, but it's been sold for about 2.5 weeks. She needed us to wait a little while in order for us to deliver it. So I had it listed originally at like $350 maybe, and I pretty quickly lowered it because I was getting frustrated that nobody wanted it. So I took it down completely, and then I relisted it for $200, and then she was interested in delivery and then also the holding fee. So we ended up as a total selling it for $300. So we got the top price that I had it listed for, but we are also delivering it to a 3rd floor apartment, and we had that holding fee. So still a pretty darn good profit. I got it for $60 and then getting a $300, so that is $240. And then if you account for like, you know, maybe $20 in gas to go deliver it, we're at a total profit of $220. And I used products that I already had on hand that I accounted for in other projects. So I mean, I think it's holding up pretty well. You know, it's a vintage couch. We were very transparent in the listing, so let's go get this bad boy delivered.
No, you're good. Is it a tight space, or do we got some room to work?
It's a little narrow, but it should, I think usually like stand stuff.
Yeah. Okay. What?
You go back.
Well, I want to make sure I lock the door. Hold on. What are you doing?
Yeah. Struggling.
Golden? We're gonna twist it that way.
Like, completely.
That's correct. Yep. You wanna readjust your hands? You good? Here, let's go the other way so you have more to grab onto. We're gonna flip it the other way so we can use. Yep. Yep. You wanna lift it up from the lower? We got 3 of these, right?
Yes.
Okay, so should we go back the other way? Are you thinking?
Yeah.
Okay. You know where I'm talking about? What do you grab? Okay. 1, 2. Okay, readjust. Get comfy. Okay, don't go too fast because I got Birks on and my grip ain't the best. Just keep it hugged up against that wall. You're gonna have to go backwards. Hold on. Are you good on the grip? Do not do that, please. That's our system, so it's gonna work. It's just.
Sorry. No, you're fine. I'm sorry, guys. I know it's rough.
Probably want to hug that side, hug that wall. Well, it's their fault for. Oh, okay. All right. So I'm gonna need to go over. Nope. Okay, that's not. Oh, that can be done, yeah. It's kind of stuck. Okay, it's clear. So you're changing what we just did. We were from underneath. Don't change what we've done. One more. Right?
Yep.
Bad.
Almost there. I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, down. You ready?
Yep. Well, I gotta have you lean it.
I know, I am.
Hold on.
Will you grab that for me?
Yeah, I got it. You go.
Perfect. I'll let you come by so you can open up the door and everything. So it smells good?
Sounds good.
Oh. I do smell something. It'll fit. We're good. Straight back. I don't know what we're... Okay. Put your side down. No, my side actually. Up. You gotta get underneath it or else it's gonna slide. There you go. Where's it going?
You can just set it in there facing the TV.
Okay. Hold on, my hand's behind it. Okay. We're gonna lean it right back towards you. You know what? Okay.
Move it your way more.
Come over on this side. Pick her up.
Nice job. Here's 180. That's good. It was only 150 extra.
Yeah, you can keep the. It was a lot of stairs.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you have change?
No.
I'll let you do that this time because we don't have change, but thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Enjoy.
Absolutely never again. You could give me all the money in the world to do that. That was the most ludicrous thing that we've ever done. And we have so many other ways to make money than to climb 3 levels of stairs, maybe 6 levels of stairs,
Yeah,
including the stairs.
7. There was 4 outside.
Nope.
Oh, 5.
You're never
7, 8.
ever gonna catch me doing that again.
The couch is sold, you guys. I knew it was possible, and I just had to wait a little bit for it to sell. So, yeah, but it's a beautiful, beautiful night. So at least we have that going for us. So total, well, she already paid me $150 to hold it, and then she just gave us $180, and she wouldn't let us not take it. So consider that a tip, $30 tip. So that was that's like half the couch of what we paid for it. So say $330, and then paid $60 for the couch. So $270 profit, like we kind of said earlier, minus, let's just say, I mean, it's not even $20 for gas, let's just call it $20. So that's a total profit of $250 for probably about an hour's worth of work, and then of course a little sweat equity built into that. So take chances, guys, especially if the buy-in is low. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspires you to take a chance on some new items at thrift stores to resell. It doesn't always have to be painting furniture. Think outside the box. Try something new today, and we'll see you on the flip side.